In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the video output is currently active error in OBS Studio. Let's launch the OBS Studio app. Sometimes you can't change some of the settings in OBS because the video output is already at work. This usually happens when you are recording or connected to a stream. For example, let's start a recording. Now let's try to change some settings. In the bottom right corner, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Video tab. Here, you can see that I can't access any of the settings. Now, if I stop the recording and go back to Settings, you can see that I can access and change my settings. So, you need to stop the stream or recording to change or access your settings. Sometimes, even without recording or streaming, we might not be able to access our settings. For example, you can see that I am not recording now. But if I go to Settings, you can see that I can't access my settings. This may happen when a plugin is active or in use. So, if you find any problem like this, you need to check your plugins. Close the Settings page. In the top left menu, click on Tools. Here you need to check your plugin. I have the Teleport plugin here, so I will click on Teleport. Now disable the plugin and click OK. Now, if I go to Settings, you can see that I can access and change my settings. Following these steps, you can fix the stuck settings problem.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.